Back in 2004, we had a dream to provide reliable web hosting with which your website will always be up and loading in a blink of an eye. To gather a team of professional people who are passionate about their job and who will service each customer request with the same care as if it was made by family or friend. And now, looking back 7 years later, we are proud to see that we have truly achieved this. By choosing SiteGround as your hosting provider, you can join the dream too. With us, your website will perform better than ever. Our unique server setup will bring the industry's fastest loading speed to your website. The unmatched security systems we have developed and implemented will guarantee the best uptime in the industry. Even if you have a request in the middle of the night, it will be serviced immediately, as our experts can be reached 24 hours, 7 days a week, and they are really fast. With our free transfer service, it is easy to move over your website to SiteGround. And if you are just starting, we will help you upload a fully functional website with a few clicks. And then conquer Google and build a substantial client base using our free search engine optimization and marketing tools. We have gone from 0 to over 250,000 clients in just a few years. We are here to share our success with you. Sign up today and be one of the thousands of people whom we help each month launch their websites.